floor can capture the eye immediately. From timeless looks to trendy styles, there's a lot to like about them. It's easy to get this with real hardwood, but the same appearance can be achieved with other product categories like tile and luxury vinyl, as well as laminate. Whoa, laminate? That's right, but this is not the laminate of old. This is different, better, revolutionary. This is Rev Wood from Mohawk. Rev Wood flooring is constructed to withstand everyday life, especially in active households. It resists those far too often occurrences, such as stains, scratches, and even dents. That's dependable durability, yet its splendor is not lost. Take it up a notch with Rev Wood Plus. The biggest plus is it's waterproof. That means liquid won't seep through to the floor underneath. Because spills stay on the surface, they're easy to clean, quickly. Rev Wood Plus comes with Mohawk's All Pet Plus protection, making it a fabulous choice for homes with kids and pets. Whether Rev Wood or Rev Wood Plus, there's no sacrifice of beauty for function. Select from a variety of styles and trending colors, allowing either brand to blend perfectly with any decor. This is wood without compromise. Rev Wood Laminate adds sophisticated wood style to any home without breaking the bank. It's easy to install, easy to clean, and easy on the budget, making it an ideal choice for everyday life. Rev Wood floors are exceptionally durable and resistant to staining and fading, providing worry-free assurance that the floor won't lose its looks. Its ingenious design ensures its elegance endures. The luxury of laminate re-emerges. Discover the exquisite look of wood matched with the impressive performance of laminate. Rev Wood. Welcome to the revolution.